Myself Vashishtha.
Myself Plasma.
We are students of Grade VIII and here to explain the parts of a compound microscope. For adjustment, fine adjustment, objective lens, and a mirror.
These are known as the adjustments where you can adjust your glass piece.
Can be reflect the sunlight or the electronic microscope.
Handle where you should keep our left hand here and you have to close one eye and you have to observe into the eyepiece.
Here to explain about the parts of the compound microscope. This is called eyepiece. This is 10x. We can see the specimen 10x bigger than it is.
This is the core adjustment. You can see the distance up and down. This is objective lens. We can see the specimen clearly. This is fine adjustment. We can see specimens clearly.
Light is the source of this microscope. When the light falls on this mirror, it reflects on the through the condenser and you can see the specimen clearly.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Adarsh, Rahul, Abdul, and Asian. We, the students of 8th H, are going to explain about microscope. This is eyepiece, which is 10x. So this can be zoomed about 100x. Over to
Now this is called core adjustment that can adjust this objective lens to get a clear view of it. This is called fine adjustment that give a clear image or clear picture of the microorganism or what we are seeing. And this is called a clamper that adjusts this cover glass. This is called slide glass, this is called cover glass that we place up to the cover glass. So, slide glass. This is called mirror. This is called mirror that reflects the light to the glass. And this is called an handle that is used to handle this.
You should need to carry the handle and we can use the core adjustment to see the microorganisms clearly.